everybody, today I'm making with my mom brownies, and we need the oven, so it's hot. One of my favorite things that I like to do is playing basketball. My dad is very tall, but I can still shoot. Sometimes when I'm bored, I play and talk with Alexa. Alexa played Daniel Tiger's song. Bye.
Playing Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood, Tiger Family Trip by Daniel Tiger from Spotify.
Don't show up.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Every neighbor. Sometimes I watch Netflix in the TV. Sometimes I go to my room and jump in the bed and play with my pillow.